So hey guys, I want to share with you probably one of the worst purchases for the 2021 Acura TLX. And it's an OEM part as well on top of everything else. But like I said, it's a redesigned car. Things probably got rushed, I'm sure. So in the back, you guys know, I bought the OEM trunk tray here. This to me is perfect. Perfect cutouts. You can see it molds around everything. Really good. Even perfectly cut out around this hump here. Like you'd expect from an OEM part. But what I don't like, and I'm looking for other options, are the OEM floor mats that they make. Let me show you what I mean here. Let me turn the light on here so you can see them. So check these out. These are the OEM ones for the back. I mean, look at the coverage. There's like hardly any coverage on there. They do really nothing for the back here, where it really counts. I mean, they're really small. They don't even go around the pins here. Since this part's raised, they didn't make it where it goes up and around. Doesn't protect hardly anything. I mean, it protects the bottom. That's pretty much it on here. When I got these, I was so disappointed how they fit. And I've heard other people say the same thing. And I was thinking, well, they're OEM. Every one I've had in my Hondas, they fit perfect. But I mean, look at this. I mean, you see where it goes. All the other ones kind of go around that bracket for the seat. This thing is so flimsy. Dirt gets under there so easily. I have to vacuum it anyway. So if you guys are wanting to get floor mats, I would shop around. You know, the front ones here, I'll show you those. Those are pretty good. Those are decent, I would say. Cover's good. Even the cord had it where it goes down here and then it kind of goes up. So things do fall in there. So it's not the best coverage. I would say the front's a lot better though. For sure. But the back, pretty bad. Like I said, I was blown away that it's actually the OEM ones. And so much so that I reached out to people to see and make sure I didn't get the rear mats from a different vehicle. Like it's that off. I wouldn't buy them again. I think they're close to $200 for the set for the mats. I would shop around. I know being a newer car, there's not a lot out there right now. Like these are OEM. The lip and the sides fit perfect. So that's what I kind of expected. But not so much with the floor mats. So again, if you guys are looking, I would like shop around. Hopefully more and more manufacturers will make them. That was a hard thing. Nobody really made them when I got this car. So I just bought the OEM, but I expected better fitment than that on the back. So shop around, see what you can find. Let me know you guys' thoughts. I appreciate it. And I'll catch you on the next one.